You've mastered the story blocks, you've mapped your characters, then you arrive on location. But then the server room's air conditioner roars over your microphone. A monitor flickers on camera. The sun carves harsh shadows across your subject's face. This is where great storytelling lives or dies, in the gap between a perfect plan and the real world. Welcome to Module 3. We're moving you off the drawing board and into the field, where you'll learn to capture professional raw footage, photos, audio, interviews, and unlock the prompt for your ultimate AI production assistant. This module is a little different. After watching this video, you'll need to go through these 3 steps. So what are you actually getting inside the guide? We've broken it down into 4 parts. Before you shoot. Production pillars. Characters in the field. Beyond the field. Then we'll help you set up an AI production coach.
Okay, here's the setup guide. Got it. Perfect. The mic gain was too low. Just need to recenter the shot. All right, good to go.
Think of it as a multimedia producer sitting right next to you on set. Snap a test frame, and it checks your framing, lighting, and focus against the production guide, then tells you what to fix. Paste an interview transcript, and it pulls out your strongest quotes based on your story angle. Share plan, and it flags what's missing. Your path is clear. Study the guide, ace the quiz, claim your coach, then let's head into the field.